Hello and welcome. Are you ready to take the next step in your career journey? Great. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of applying for a job with our company. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, we're excited to have you on board. To begin your application, you'll first need to sign into our online portal. If you haven't already registered, don't worry, we'll walk you through it. Click on the Sign In button on our portal to get started. If you're new here, click on the Apply Here button to create an account. Once you click on the Apply Here button, you'll be directed to the registration page. Here, you'll need to fill out some basic information to create your account. This includes your first name, last name, email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password and confirm it to proceed. By signing up, you agree to our privacy policy, so be sure to give it a read before continuing. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click on the Register button to create your account. After completing your registration successfully, an email will be sent to you containing instructions on 2FA. Simply follow the steps outlined in the email. Upon receiving the email, locate the unique code provided, presented in bold purple text. Proceed to the designated section labeled Code on the 2FA Setup page and enter the code. Finally, click on the Verify and Proceed button to finalize the setup process. This additional security measure significantly enhances the protection of your account against unauthorized access. After completing your 2FA, you'll be directed to the job application form. This is where you'll provide essential information to complete your application. The form includes fields such as date of birth, tax file number, TFN, address, references, uploads for resume, first aid certificate, and qualifications. Take your time to fill out each section accurately and thoroughly. Provide detailed information about your background, experience, and qualifications. Once you've finished uploading your documents, you can submit your application. Click on the Submit button to send your application to our team. Our friendly application readers will review your submission as soon as possible. If they require any additional information or have further questions, they'll reach out to you directly. Thank you for watching our video guide on applying for a job with our company. We hope this step-by-step process has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our HR team. We look forward to reviewing your application and wish you the best of luck in your job search.